Facing the mountain in America. Debt. It's a word that makes most people cringe. It hangs over our heads like a dark cloud. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Millions of Americans are struggling with debt. It's become a national epidemic. We're bombarded with messages to buy now, pay later. Credit card offers flood our mailboxes. Loans are easy to get but hard to pay back. It's no wonder so many people are drowning in debt. The average American household has over $100,000 in debt. That's credit cards, student loans, car loans, mortgages, the whole shebang. And it's a heavy burden to carry, but there's hope. You can climb out from under that mountain of debt. It takes hard work, dedication, and a plan, but it's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Trapped. How we fall into debt's grip. Debt doesn't just happen overnight, it builds up gradually, often without us even realizing it. It creeps up on us slowly, like a shadow growing longer as the sun sets. Maybe it's that unexpected medical bill that catches us off guard, or the car that breaks down and needs expensive repairs, leaving us with no choice but to pay. Life throws curveballs, and sometimes debt feels like the only option to get through tough times. Take Sarah, for example. She lost her job and had to rely on credit cards to make ends meet, accumulating debt with every swipe. Or John, who got laid off and racked up debt trying to keep his business afloat, hoping for a turnaround. These are real people with real struggles, facing the harsh realities of financial hardship. But sometimes we fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, spending more as we earn more. We get a raise and immediately upgrade our lifestyle, thinking we deserve it. Bigger house, newer car, fancier vacations, each upgrade adding to our financial burden. We start living beyond our means, and before we know it, debt becomes a way of life, a constant companion. It's time to break free from the debt trap, to reclaim our financial independence. It's time to take control of your finances and build a future free from financial stress, a future where you are in charge. Your blueprint for freedom: crafting a budget. This is your first step towards financial independence. The first step to tackling debt is simple. Create a budget. It's like drawing a map to guide you through your financial journey. I know. The B word strikes fear into the hearts of many, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. But trust me, a budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. It's a tool that empowers you to make informed decisions. Start by tracking your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Where is your money going each month? Understanding this is crucial to managing your finances effectively. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or one of the many budgeting apps available. Choose what works best for you. Next, identify areas where you can cut back. Eating out less, cooking at home more often, canceling subscriptions you don't use, and being mindful of your spending habits. Finding cheaper entertainment options. Every little bit helps. Small changes can lead to significant savings over time. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start allocating your money strategically. This means setting priorities and making sure your money goes where it's needed most. Prioritize paying down debt while still covering your essential expenses. This will help you reduce financial stress and build a stronger financial foundation. Remember, a budget isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making smart choices that align with your goals. It's about making conscious choices with your money and taking control of your financial future. With a well-crafted budget, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Finding hidden cash. Finding extra money in your budget might seem impossible at first, but trust me, there are always ways to trim the fat. It's about getting creative and being willing to make some sacrifices. Start by looking at your recurring expenses. Can you negotiate a lower rate on your cable or internet bill? Are there cheaper cell phone plans available? Shop around for insurance quotes to see if you can save. Next, tackle those wants that are draining your bank account. Eating out too much? Challenge yourself to cook at home more often. Spending a fortune on clothes you don't need? Try a capsule wardrobe or embrace secondhand shopping. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards paying down debt. So get creative, be resourceful, and watch your savings grow. Talking to creditors. Many people are afraid to negotiate with creditors, but it's worth a shot. Creditors would rather work with you than send your account to collections. Start by being polite and respectful. Explain your situation honestly and clearly. Let them know you're committed to repaying your debt, but you're struggling to make ends meet. Ask if they can lower your interest rate, waive late fees, or work out a more manageable payment plan. Be prepared to negotiate and stand your ground. It's crucial to get any agreements in writing. This protects you and ensures everyone is on the same page. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you're uncomfortable negotiating on your own. There are resources available to guide you through the process. Enjoying the video? Hit that subscribe button to get more tips on managing your debt and achieving financial freedom. Give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and share it with anyone who could use a boost on their debt journey. Drop your questions and tips in the comments. Let's support each other. Your debt-busting allies. Sometimes, we need a little extra help to get back on track. The journey to becoming debt-free can be overwhelming and challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. That's where credit counselors and debt management companies come in. These professionals are trained to assist you in navigating the complexities of debt repayment. They can provide valuable guidance and support during your debt-free journey. With their expertise, you can gain a clearer understanding of your financial situation and the steps needed to improve it. Credit counselors can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a personalized debt management plan. This plan is tailored to your specific needs and financial goals, ensuring that you have a realistic and achievable path to follow. They can also provide financial education and resources to help you make informed decisions. Understanding the basics of personal finance is crucial for long-term success and avoiding future debt. Debt management companies work with your creditors to consolidate your debts into one monthly payment. This can simplify your repayment process and make it easier to manage your finances. They may also be able to negotiate lower interest rates or waive fees, which can significantly reduce the total amount you owe and help you pay off your debt faster. It's important to choose a reputable credit counselor or debt management company. Look for organizations with a proven track record and positive client testimonials. Do your research, read reviews, and ask for referrals. This will help you find a trustworthy professional who can provide the support you need. Remember, seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you are committed to taking control of your financial future and making positive changes. It's about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future. With the right support and resources, you can overcome your debt and achieve financial freedom. Streamlining your payments. Debt consolidation can be a helpful tool for managing multiple debts. It involves taking out a new loan to pay off your existing debts, leaving you with one monthly payment. This can simplify your finances and potentially lower your interest rates. However, it's essential to evaluate your options carefully. Make sure you understand the terms of the new loan, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment period. Compare offers from different lenders to find the best deal. Debt consolidation is not a quick fix. It's crucial to address the root causes of your debt and commit to responsible financial habits. Remember, debt consolidation is just one tool in your debt management toolbox. Use it wisely and in conjunction with other strategies. Staying positive during debt management. Managing debt can be emotionally draining. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, discouraged, and even ashamed. But it's crucial to prioritize your mental and emotional well-being throughout the process. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people have faced similar challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. Paid off a credit card, reached a savings goal, give yourself credit for your hard work and dedication. Don't be afraid to ask for support from loved ones, friends, or a therapist. Talking about your feelings and challenges can make a world of difference. Remember, your financial situation doesn't define your worth. You are capable, resilient, and deserving of a bright financial future. Reclaiming your financial future. Hey there, Financial Fitness Hub family. Taking control of your debt can feel like an uphill battle, but trust me, it's a journey worth taking. Imagine the freedom of living debt-free. No more stressful bills, no more sleepless nights worrying about money, just peace of mind and financial security. Now, I won't sugarcoat it, it won't be easy. It takes discipline, sacrifice, and a whole lot of determination. But every step you take towards becoming debt-free is a step towards a brighter future. And remember, you are not defined by your debt. You are capable of achieving financial freedom. So, take a deep breath, make a plan, and start taking action today. Your future self will thank you for it. We're all in this together. Let's build a supportive community where we can learn from each other and celebrate our successes. Share your own debt management tips, stories, and words of encouragement in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire and motivate others on their own debt-free journeys. You're not alone in this. Together, we can support each other and build a brighter financial future. This is just the beginning of our journey towards financial freedom. Stay tuned for more tips, advice, and resources to help you take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. We'll cover topics like investing, saving for retirement, buying a home, and much more. So, subscribe to our channel and join us as we navigate the world of personal finance together. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about managing your money, the more confident and empowered you'll become in making sound financial decisions.